Hey y'all, it is day 42 of my 100-day challenge. And today I want to share with y'all a little Monday motivation. It's how I start my week centered, prepared, and focused. Now, I'll be honest, I actually start getting my mind right on Sundays. I have to. And that's when I take time to review my calendar. I check in on my goals and I lay out what I want the week to look like. But when Monday hits, that's when I'm all locked in. So I want to share with you three things I do to set the tone for my week. So the first thing is a little quiet time before I really start the hustle and bustle. And that's time for reflection, which is so important. And even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes, I sit still. You can sit in your thoughts, you can pray or just breathe. But I know for me, I always start by asking, who do I need to be this week? What do I want to accomplish? And that's what I do. And number two, which is one of my non-negotiables, which is I choose three priorities. And this is just not for my business, but it's also my personal. And what do I want in life? And I ask myself, do these things line up with my value? And y'all already know my value consists of excellence, rooted in integrity, and deliver with urgency. That's how I move. And I think the third thing is more like mental prepness, right? I review my calendar, pull a few outfits for the week, so that's laid out, and I maybe even enjoy some tea. But it's not about rushing into the hustle mode. It's about easing into the week with intentions and clarity. And then if you ever felt like, hey, the week is running you, this is your reminder. You can take it back. Preparation is peace. It gives you that peace. And the more you lead your week, the less your week leads you. So I'm going to say, drop in the comments one thing that you do to start your Monday strong. Or what are you committed to doing this week? And don't forget, you don't have to do it all at one time. Just move forward, do it with intentions, and you'll be good to go. So smile and be a blessing today. That's all I got for y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow, day 43. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shonda McRae.